Now let's check our ingredients. 1 cup maida, 1 cup sugar, 1 butter, 2 eggs, cocoa powder, baking powder. First of all, take a bowl and add 2 eggs. You can use a whisk or an electric beater. Now I am going to use electric beater. Mix the eggs until it gets fluffy. Add all the ingredients one by one. I have added sugar. Now let's add butter. Add baking powder. Mix. Add 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Add flour portion by portion. Mix it with a spatula. If the batter is thick, add some milk. Then the batter should be like this. Now let's grease the baking tray with butter. And add some flour for dusting the tray. Now let's pour our batter. Tap the tray to release the air bubbles. Now let's pop into the oven. Bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees. Our cake is ready. Now let us cut it. Cut into 5 layered circles. See here, it is very soft. I have done icing with butter, icing sugar and few drops of green food coloring. Now let us add green icing in the base and keep one by one. I have made this cake step by step. Now let's make the first layer of icing. Spread all over evenly. I have kept the cake in the fridge for about 20 minutes. Now let's make the design of the Christmas tree. Now I have finished. It should look like this. Take a star and keep it on the top of the tree. Sprinkle some choco chips. Here I have decorated it with cherry Hershey's chocolate syrup. Ta-da! Our Christmas tree is ready. It looks delicious. Enjoy your Christmas. Thanks for watching.